Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement AC Blower Motor with Fan. This AC blower motor with fan works on various Lexus, Toyota, and Dodge vehicles from 2005 to 2020. Some popular vehicles this will work on include the Toyota 4Runner, Toyota Camry, Toyota Highlander, Lexus ES350, and the Dodge Journey. To confirm this works on your vehicle, check the list below or contact us. Your AC blower motor with fan is responsible for producing air that blows through your AC and heating system. And over time, the motors on these are known to go bad, or the fan itself can get physically damaged. If you are not producing or circulating any air when your system is turned on, this may be the issue. While this replacement AC blower motor with fan is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it is a direct replacement, thanks to, of course, the factory mounting locations and the OEM electrical connector. However, this one does have a redesigned motor meant for enhanced durability. Installation of this AC blower motor with fan is something you can do yourself, should you have the right tools. Simply go under the passenger side dashboard, remove any panel, locate the fan, first unplug the OEM connector, and then unbolt. Reinstall in the reverse order. If you have any questions about this replacement AC blower motor with fan, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.